So, kailangan balansihin natin yung ating larynx na when you smile instead na ha. Dito lang siya sa gitna. Ha, ha. Instead na ha, ha. Hindi rin ganito yung sounds. Ha, kasi ayan, sige, explain ko. So, si mouth singer kasi, ganito siya. Pag nag-sounds tayo from our voice, which is ganito yung nangyayari. I met you in the dark. I met you in the dark. From mouth yan. Pero kung kukunin natin sa ating chest yung boses, I met you in the dark. You lit me up. So, yun yung kakalabasan na sounds. For example, the chorus, when you smile, eto, mouth singer, when you smile over your shoulder, mouth yan, when you smile, para ka lang nagsasalita. Pag mouth singer ka kasi tendency, more on the tension from here. Kaya ako tinuturo sa inyo yung position din ng ng mouth, yung circle position. Why? Kasi kapag masyadong wide na, when you smile, lalo na pag bumirit ka, I knew I love you then. So, ito na yung natetense. Ito na yung tensionado. Pero pag ginawa natin na hindi tayo magiging mouth singer, ibig sabihin ng mouth, galing sa bibig lang yung sounds natin, hindi galing from here. So, kung si larynx mo is gagawin natin, ilo-lower natin yung ating larynx from here na when you smile over your shoulder, mas smooth at mas buo yung kakalabasan, right? So, from here, when you smile over your shoulder, for a minute I was stone cold sober. So, mas buo and mas nagagamit mo si chest. Then, wag lang too much na when you smile over your shoulder. Kasi, magtutunog kang classical magtutunog kang style choir. So, kasi kapag ganun na yung sounds, hindi na siya pop. Ballad style na siya or classical, opera singer na siya. So, kailangan balansihin natin yung ating larynx na when you smile instead na ha. Dito lang siya sa gitna. Ha, ha. Instead na ha, ha. Hindi rin ganito yung sounds. Ha, kasi mouth singer na yan. Sobrang taas na ng larynx mo niyan. So, nagiging mouth singer ka na. Ha, when you smile over your shoulder. So, pagka binaba mo ng konti, when you smile over your shoulder, for a minute I was stone cold sober. So, kontrolado mo siya sa pop sound. Okay? Binabawasan mo yung percentage ng sound ng bigger sound ng boses mo kasi likas na sa'yo sir yung big sound When you smile, malaki na yung boses mo Kailangan naman, balansihin mo yung larynx mo. From here, when you smile, do you imagine that? Analyze, di ba? Analyze mo inside your body. Yes. When you smile and relax lang. Using your chest, andun pa rin yung kapal ng sound. And pagdating dun sa I knew I love you then, meron na tayong gagamiting tightness ng diaphragm. I knew I love you then, you'll never know. Then after that, ang gagawin natin nung tightness, kailangan nandun pa rin yung sounds ng chest natin. I knew I love you then, you never know. Andun pa rin. Pero pagdating sa just say you will let go, kailangan malinaw yung falsetto, hindi nanginginig at hindi rin nangingibabaw ang ating yung laki ng boses na just say you, hindi ganon, just say you will let go. So, get it? Nakukuha? Na-analyze yung ibig kong sabihin? Yes.